Whoa, is that a 72 Charger? Unbelievable, it's a real muscle car just rusting away. All right, bring her in nice and slow. Let's see what we're working with here. The frame's bent right here. Radiator took a hit too. Yeah, hose is loose. I'll tighten it. All right, this old bolt is finally out. Now for the new valve cover. Perfect fit. Aligning the piston rings carefully to avoid scoring the cylinder. Now, torquing the bolts to spec. A steady hand is key. All right, lowering it in now. Steady, steady, almost there. Got it, perfect fit. All right, let's get this seat secured. Perfect, right into the track. And there we go, fully restored. All right, let's fire her up. Yes, hear that rumble?